Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. As you know, today I am here to discuss some most important topics with you. The topics are, first I would like to discuss about ecosystem, about our environment and agricultural system. So, my first topic is ecosystem. The first and most important question arises that what is an ecosystem? Anybody like to tell that what is an ecosystem? Question from boys. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a chain between biotic and abiotic. And if we will disturb this chain, it will destroy the survivability of life on the earth and leads to disturbance in our ecosystem. So it's most important to protect and to conserve our ecosystem, because without ecosystem we cannot survive on our planet earth. And the next question is that how can we protect our ecosystem? How can we protect it? Girls, how can we protect our ecosystem?
कोई बच्चा नहीं है जो आंसर कर सकता है? हम एनवायरनमेंट को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कोई भी बताओ।
Minu ma'am, would you like to tell? Ma'am, stay here and answer, please. No. We can protect our ecosystem by protecting our environment. And it's most important to protect our environment. And to protect our environment, we must know that what are the problems which are disturbing our environment. Few of them are overpopulation, deforestation and pollution. First point is overpopulation. As we know that in our country and in all countries, pollution is increasing day by day. And if people will increase, their demand will increase. And to fulfill their demand, in race of fulfill their demand, women will disturb this ecosystem, this environment. So the population is also a main cause which leads to disturbance in our ecosystem. Next one is deforestation. As we know that trees are continuously cut and many industries are established. They build, they produce smoke and leads to air pollution. So trees must be grown, not to be cut. Third one was pollution. It's the backbone of pollution. It's the backbone of disturbance in our environment. As we know that industries are built, they produce smoke which leads to air pollution, and many waste from that industries is thrown in water bodies which leads to water pollution. So the air pollution and water pollution is increasing day by day and leads to shortage and scarcity of water to drink or to irrigate. It was about our ecosystem and environment. The third and most important topic is what is an agriculture? About agricultural system. Any student can tell that what is agriculture? It's also in question in class 8. Agriculture is a primary activity. Rearing of animals and cultivation of crops to earn livelihood is referred as agriculture. And it's the backbone of Indian economy and to many countries. And agriculture is practiced in India for thousands of years. And over a period of time, it has developed a lot. The use of new technologies and equipments have replaced all the traditional methods of farming. Today I would like to talk about the crop which is grown in most part of India. There are many crops grown in India, but the crop about which I will talk, that is grown in major part of India. That's paddy or rice crop. Paddy is grown about 55% in India because it gives a good yield. The district of Haryana, Karnal, is referred as the bowl of paddy or rice. Means to say dhan ka katora. But do we know the side effects of paddy? grow paddy, but it has a lot of side effects. Few of them are groundwater depletion, and a lot of labor is required in its transplantation, and also it requires many fertilizers which leads to soil pollution and many more. So the first was groundwater depletion. As you can found paddy crop in your surrounding area, and you see that it requires a lot of water. The water is always in this crop. So it needs a lot of water, and to fulfill this demand of water, farmers use tube wells along with canal water, and tube wells are increasing day by day, and groundwater is decreasing. So it's a big problem for us. If we continue to decrease our groundwater, there will be no water to drink or to irrigate. Next was transplantation. As we know that the seed drills are not used in paddy crop. It needs a lot of labor to transplant, and it's also a long process, and a lot of money is wasted on it. Third one, after harvesting this crop, it's a very difficult task to manage its waste. Its straw, means paddy straw. Most of the people burn it because trying any other method is very costly. So we must decompose it in our soil, in our land, which will increase soil fertility and give us a good yield in our next crop. Don't to burn it. The side effects of burning are air pollution, soil pollution, and many more. The crop paddy itself also releases a lot of gases, poisonous gases, and most of the people grow 1401, 1401 a variety of paddy, which takes 160 days to grow, and it also requires a lot of water rather than 1509. So paddy must be controlled, and it's the most important topic to be discussed and to be know. Everyone should be aware about it. Everyone should be aware about it, because if we continue this type of depletion of water and disturbing our environment and ecosystem, there will be no survivability of life on this earth. It's not only our earth, only not for human beings, it also for the birds, animals, trees, and even every biotic animal. So we must protect it. Now I would like to call Navdeep to tell us some basic solutions of these problems and to our conclusion and future needs.
Myself Navdeep, and there are some solutions by which we aware people to solve the problems. First is rainwater harvesting. It is best method to conserve rainwater, and there is also a scientific fact. According to our scientists, a particular mutant gene, HRT gene, which inserted into the plants, which helps to better tolerate drought and excessive salt conditions, and this is found in the tropical weed called Arabidopsis. And according to our National Academy of Science, the plant which has inserted gene has green leaves and better photosynthetic capacities, and without reducing any its stage, a liter of water to produce a suitable amount of rice. In this case, we can save water by at least 20%. And second is organic biofertilizers. We can add organic biofertilizers like cow dung instead use of pesticides, insecticides. Biofertilizers increase the fertility of soil. Have you heard the name of Denza plant? Have you heard the name of Denza plant? Yes or no? Its botanical name is Cispenia bispinosa. It is used as green manure. It is a leguminous crop which converts atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, which increases the fertility of soil. Third solution is decomposing the paddy crop. Most people burn the paddy crop, which is very harmful for our environment. Can you have environment. And third point is most of the people do not use waste decomposers. And here are some future plans. According, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. This thought was given by Mr. Lester Brown. According to our thought, we use natural source in this way that we can use our own sustained life and also conserve natural sources for our future generations. Here are some points. More and more plants should be grown. Increasing of rainwater harvesting method must be increased. The use of manure must be increased. Farmers also should aware towards growing crops. Thanks.
As we told you that rainwater must be harvested, but how can we harvest it? Here is a rough model of rainwater harvesting. It's a house and it's its roof. On its roof, we have an upper tank from which a pipe is fixed into that lower tank, and by this pipe, the rainwater should travel into the lower tank. And after a few period of time, the sand particles in the rainwater will settle down and it will be poured and we can use it. So in this way, we can conserve the rainwater. And here is an industry which produces smoke and cause air pollution. So it must be controlled and a pollution-free technique in India must be developed. It was an example of air pollution and water pollution in urban areas. But air pollution and water pollution is also increasing day by day into rural areas. But how it is increasing? It's increasing due to burning of crop waste, paddy straw, main cause of this air pollution. So instead of burning this paddy straw, we must decompose it. We should use the waste decomposers like Pusa decomposer, and many waste decomposers can be prepared at our home. So by this whole project and seminar, our main motive was to aware you about the economic situation of our ecosystem and environment and agricultural system in India. So you must be aware and aware your parents, your neighbors, and please be aware toward our ecosystem. Conserve it, don't destroy it. Thanks and have a nice day.